Okay, so this is HTC Legend. What you have, this is a refining of the form factor of what you would receive with the Hero. It's made out of one whole sheet of aluminium. So what you have is a seamless casing, which not only aims the strength and durability of the device, but also the tactile feel. The way you get into your SIM card and your battery is just located just underneath here. There's a little flap that opens, so you can insert your battery, your memory card, and your SIM card.
You have to open it, right?
That's correct, yeah. If I open it now, it'll eject the battery to turn the handset off.
Yeah, very nice.
So just be careful. So, I'm going to pop that back on. You'll notice there's a 5 megapixel camera on there. It's now joined by a flash, which the original Hero didn't have. Yeah. You've also got your 3.5mm jack plug on the top, so you can use your favourite pair of earphones and your power button. On the front, compared to the original Hero, you now don't have the trackball, you have an optical version, okay, which means there's less moving parts. So, if I just turn this on. With the optical, you can now flick to the left and the right, just simply by scrolling like that. And it's also a 5-way, so you can actually do up, down, left, right, and it's also a button, so you can click it in to select things. Now with this, it's running the very latest version of Android, which is Android 2.1. It has a 600 megahertz processor inside of it as well, so that's increased as well from Hero. With the 2.1 software, you'll find that you have the holistic experience from HTC, which is HTC Sense. It's just sitting there on top.
It's the improved Sense, right?
That's correct. That's correct, yeah. So what you'll find with this is you have the familiar 7 screens that you can flick around. Okay, so you have 3 to the left, 3 to the right, and 1 just in the centre. But what you can also do...
Can you show us, I'm sorry, can you show us the front stream? I know it's a new widget. So
yeah, sure, yeah. Just show you this. You can pinch. When you pinch, it actually brings all your desktop out. So if you want to go straight to your friend stream, you can just tap there. This is a new widget to the Legend, which is Friend Stream, and what it basically does is that if you've got accounts with Facebook and with Twitter and with Flickr, it pulls all those accounts into one easy to read widget. What you can also see there as well is you can see what's happening, so you can actually post your status update, click on update, and then that then sends your status update direct to your Flickr, your Facebook, and your Twitter.
Simultaneously to all of them?
To all of them, yeah. Oh, nice. It'll do it simultaneously for you.
Integrated.
That's correct. One of the things as well that we've actually done with this device as well is that we've increased the functionality of common widgets. So your calendar widget has now got an agenda. So rather than just having the month to view or the single widget, your agenda view will now do multiple calendars, so not only your Exchange server but also your personal calendar. It'll show all the events that are happening on that day for you.
I looked for that functionality on the old Sense and I couldn't find it.
Yeah, yeah. We've started to tweak the ones that are currently in there. Yeah. Also what we've done to do with widgets is we've simplified the menu down for you. Oh. So rather than you having HTC widgets and Android widgets, it's just simply widgets. When you go into widgets, you'll find that you'll have a selection of pre-installed ones already there. The very top one there, though, says get more HTC widgets, so you've actually got the choice of actually downloading more widgets direct from HTC. More will come available as obviously we build them. I just go back. Now one really cool aspect that we've actually done to the device as well is when you actually go into the internet, if you go to a web page that requires a lot of text, obviously you can pinch, you can double tap into the conversation. There we go. If I hold my finger down on a block of text, it'll bring up a magnifier. Oh. So you can actually magnify the text, or you can highlight particular words. If, for example, I highlight a word, so I'll just highlight that word there, it then presents you with 3 options. The first option is to copy it to a clipboard, so you can use it somewhere else in the device. The second option just there is a magnifying glass. Basically, when you tap on that, it'll actually give you options to search and learn about that particular word. So if it was about Barcelona, for example, it would take you back to the Wikipedia page to learn about it.
There's dictionary?
You've got Translate and Dictionary. Yeah. Also, the very last one that you've got inside there as well is you've got an instant share button. So when you click on share, it'll send it direct to your mail, your messages, or you can tweet about it as well, so send it to friends. Be HTC Legend.